This video shows how to replace the M.2 2280 solid-state drive, or SSD, with an M.2 2230 SSD on an Inspiron 165620 or Vostro 5620. Before you begin, turn off the computer, disconnect all the attached peripherals, and remove any SD card installed in the SD card slot on your computer. To enter service mode, press and hold the B key on the keyboard, and then press the power button. Now the computer will boot up, and the owner tag information is displayed on the screen. Press any key to proceed. The computer will emit 3 short beeps and shut down. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the computer. To begin, loosen the 2 captive screws that secure the base cover to the palm resting keyboard assembly. Then, remove the 7 screws that also secure the base cover to the palm resting keyboard assembly. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the top left of the hinge, and then continue to work on the sides to open the base cover. Slide and lift the base cover off the palm resting keyboard assembly. Locate the M.2 2280 SSD. Remove the screw that secures the M.2 2280 SSD to the palm resting keyboard assembly. Slide the M.2 2280 SSD out of the M.2 slot and lift it off of the system board. You've successfully removed the M.2 2280 SSD from the M.2 slot. Now, let's install the M.2 2230 SSD. Align the screw hole on the SSD with the screw hole on the M.2 mounting bracket. Replace the screw that secures the M.2 mounting bracket to the SSD. Locate the notch on the SSD. Align the notch on the SSD with the tab on the M.2 slot. Slide the SSD into the slot on the system board. Now, replace the screw that secures the M.2 mounting bracket to the palm resting keyboard assembly. Then, place and snap the base cover into place on the palm resting keyboard assembly. Tighten the 2 captive screws, and then finally replace the 7 screws that secure the base cover to the palm resting keyboard assembly. You can now connect the disconnected peripherals and reinstall any removed SD card. Connect the power adapter, and press the power button to power on the computer and exit from service mode. Note, the computer will turn on only if the power adapter is connected. You've replaced the M.2 2280 SSD with an M.2 2230 SSD on the Inspiron 165620 or Vostro 5620. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/support.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. Got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait, I feel